Thinking about buying a home? It's one of the most important, life-changing purchases you can make. But most people don't understand the home buying process. Let's take a look in 5 easy steps. Purchasing a home can be a smooth and easy process. A big part of what makes that process go smoothly or not is choosing the right lender for your home loan. The first step is the pre-approval or pre-qualification process. This step helps answer many of the questions you might have, like, how much do I qualify for? Or what are my monthly payments? Typical process is a pre-qualification letter. This means a loan officer uses income and expense figures to estimate a loan qualification amount. The lender then provides a letter for you to present to a real estate agent during the home shopping process. New American Funding prefers to provide a pre-approval certification. This means all of the information you supplied has been verified and validated by an underwriter. Why does this matter to you? Well, you'll earn what you can afford so you don't waste time looking at homes out of your range or below what you can afford. It reduces the likelihood of unexpected loan application rejection later in the process. But most importantly, it demonstrates that you're a serious home buyer. Real estate agents will be more inclined to work with you, and sellers will be more likely to negotiate since you already have an underwritten pre-approval. The next step is to submit a formal loan application. At this time, yourself or a real estate agent makes an offer by submitting a purchase contract and providing a deposit. A formal loan application includes proof of earnings, assets, and expenses. If you are going through a typical process with the pre-qual letter, you would start providing this information at this time. However, at New American Funding, since a portion of this process is completed in the pre-approval phase, you have an easier and faster process, so the next phase, loan processing, can happen right away. And now it's time for loan processing. If you only had a pre-qual letter, the lender would now carefully review and verify all the information and documents you provided. Order a professional inspection of the home. Also, if there are areas that need clarification, then you would be asked to provide more information. Sounds like a lot of work, right? Well, at New American Funding, this phase already began with pre-approval, so we can move on to the next step. The fourth step is loan underwriting. Once the loan reaches the underwriting department, the loan rate then gets locked in. The loan underwriter either approves, suspends, or denies the loan at the end of the underwriting process. At New American Funding, we have in-house underwriters with 24 to 48-hour average underwriting turnaround times. Why is that important? In the current market, homes are selling fast, so the quick underwriting process at New American Funding gives you an advantage over other buyers. Last but not least, it's closing time. At this time, the final loan documents are prepared and you would review and sign them. A final property inspection takes place and the loan funds get wired to the escrow company. Once the loan funding clears and the title company records the purchase with the local court, the home sale is considered complete and closed. That was really fast, right? As a home buyer in today's market, you need as much ammunition as possible. New American Funding has industry-leading close times with an average of 14 days. Work with the company that works hard to help you become a homeowner.